Hello everyone, welcome to our channel, Learn to Earn, Believe in You Academy. It is truly an honor for me to share this message with you today. This channel is dedicated to learning, self-education, and personal growth, both mentally and physically, mindset mastery and subconscious mind training. Our goal is to inspire individuals to unlock their inner potential and transform their lives through knowledge, discipline, and powerful mindset shifts. Today we will talk about something extremely powerful that many people underestimate: the power of human imagination. In today's fast-paced world, our lives are filled with distractions. Social media, breaking news, endless notifications, and the pressure of daily responsibilities constantly pull our attention in different directions. Because of this noisy environment, many people rarely take the time to slow down, sit quietly, and in today's world, most of us don't think deeply. Over time, stress, distractions, and limiting beliefs can make us forget something very important: our true potential. From a young age, many people are told to be realistic, to lower their expectations, or that their dreams are not possible. These ideas slowly create invisible barriers in our minds. But throughout history, imagination has always been the driving force behind innovation, success, and human progress. Every invention, every breakthrough, and every great achievement first began as a simple idea in someone's mind. Imagination is not just fantasy, it is the blueprint of creation. When you learn to direct your thoughts, focus your energy, and believe in your vision, you begin to unlock the extraordinary potential within you. Remember, the mind is one of the most powerful tools you possess. Thank you for being here and joining us on this journey of growth and transformation. Without further ado, let's dive in. Have you ever wondered why your inspiration or motivation fades away so quickly? Why do you start strong but can't seem to finish? Why do you drag through the day with low energy, low focus, and low self-esteem? Why do frustration, modern era, social distraction, procrastination, and self-doubt keep holding you back? Do you know why most of us drift away from our dreams and goals? Do you know why most of us forget everything we hear, read, or learn so quickly? Do you know the real reason? Do you know there's just one thing? If you have it, you will never run out of energy again. You will never give up or drift away from your dream again. You will improve your memory instantly. Just one thing missing. What would you think if I revealed to you if you'd like to find out what that is? Stay tuned until the end of this video, because I'll reveal the real reason your motivation dies out and how to fuel yourself for life. I'm Kyle Elijah, founder of Believe in You Academy and creator of Caterpillar to a Butterfly 21-Day Challenge Masterclass. My journey began with one simple question: what makes certain individuals rise from ordinary beginnings to achieve extraordinary greatness? This question sparked a lifelong pursuit of wisdom, understanding the science of success. For over 30 years, I've studied the lives of the most successful, influential, and extraordinary human beings. From brave navigators like Christopher Columbus, James Cook, Ferdinand Magellan, and more, to famous leaders like Nelson Mandela, Winston Churchill, Margaret Thatcher, Abraham Lincoln, President Donald Trump, and more. Scientists like Sir Isaac Newton, Albert Einstein, and Marie Curie, to modern-day legends and business icons like John D. Rockefeller, Sam Walton, Napoleon Hill, Andrew Carnegie, Steve Jobs, Jawed Karim, Steve Chan, Elon Musk, and more. Last but not least, Olympic gold medalists and the world's most famous athletes like Lionel Messi, Liu Xiang, Usain Bolt, Michael Phillips, Cristiano Ronaldo, Serena Williams, Steffi Graf, Stephen Curry, and more. What makes certain individuals rise from ordinary beginnings to achieve extraordinary greatness? After studying all these lives, I realized something profound, but so simple yet hidden from the masses. Every human being is born with the capacity for greatness. You only need the right mindset, habits, purpose, and daily discipline to awaken it. For more than 3 decades, I've devoted my life to studying the most extraordinary human beings, from ancient philosophers and scientists to modern innovators. Every book I read, every discovery I explored, every lesson I learned, I've poured the essence of it all into this masterclass, Caterpillar to Butterfly 21-Day Challenge. So when you take this journey, you're not just learning from me, but you're learning from the collective brilliance of the greatest minds in history. You'll gain wisdom from Socrates, Galileo, Newton, Einstein, Napoleon Hill, Earl Nightingale, Rockefeller, Andrew Carnegie, Donald Trump, digital age billionaires, Elon Musk, and many more of their timeless principles, simplified, distilled, and made practical for today's world. This challenge is the essence of 3 decades of research and experience refined into 21 days of practical transformation. A path designed to awaken the hidden genius within you. Remember this, every invention, every discovery, and every creative breakthrough in the history of humankind began with one powerful spark: imagination. From ancient times to today's digital era, from the first boat and steam engines to airplanes that conquered the skies, to modern innovations like YouTube, Uber, Airbnb, Facebook, TikTok, and AI. Every great creation started in the mind of someone who dared to imagine. And that same power, the power to imagine, create, and transform lives, lies inside you. True treasure is hidden in you. These experiences have profoundly shaped my understanding of human potential. Through my extensive study of biographies, education, experience, and observation, I've come to a powerful realization. Every single human being is born with a limitless capacity for extraordinary things. We often limit ourselves, but the truth is we are capable of so much more than we imagine. This deep conviction led me to create something truly special, a program designed to unlock that inherent potential within you. That's why I'm so excited to introduce you to Caterpillar, to a Butterfly 21-Day Challenge. This isn't just another course, it's a meticulously crafted 21-day journey designed to help you transform your life. You are destined to live in just 3 short weeks. Imagine shedding your old limiting beliefs, embracing your true power, and emerging as the vibrant, confident, and extraordinary individual you were always meant to be. This challenge is about total life transformation, physically, mentally, and emotionally. The Caterpillar to a Butterfly Challenge will guide you step by step through proven strategies and exercises that will help you. That's why I created the Caterpillar to a Butterfly 21-Day Challenge. It is not just a course, it's a 21-day journey to unlock your inner potential, strength, and inner power. In just 3 weeks, you'll identify and eliminate limiting beliefs, build empowering daily habits, discover your hidden strengths and natural gifts, create a clear vision for your life experience, a total mindset shift, and understand the law of becoming. And here's what makes this course truly unique. This program will train your brain physically and mentally. You'll learn the science behind success, pattern, reaction, and loss, the powerful connection between mind, body, and soul, and energy. You'll discover how your brain processes thought, focus, and decision-making. This is proven by modern neuroscience. You'll experience 21 days of practical workouts, exercises, and quizzes designed to boost your mental sharpness and physical energy. Every day is full of information, inspiration, and real transformation strategies. Everything you need to succeed. Imagine shutting your old limitations and emerging as the vibrant, confident, unstoppable person you are meant to be. Just like a caterpillar transforms into a butterfly. You'll regain your energy and focus. You'll heal from past failures, past losses, and your old self. No more frustration, no more procrastination, no more self-sabotaging, no more wasted time, no more wasted ideas, no more being enslaved by addiction, bad habits and bad feelings, because in 21 days you'll rise with clarity, courage, and unstoppable momentum. No longer the caterpillar struggling to crawl, but the butterfly soaring toward purpose, prosperity, and freedom. You will learn how to develop a sharper, more focused mind and a stronger memory. Feel renewed physical energy and emotional balance every day. Build a wealth and abundance mindset that naturally attracts success. Gain clarity, confidence, and courage to make bold and powerful decisions. Double your productivity through a positive, unstoppable spirit. Adopt the mindset and habits of the world's most successful people. Become more resilient, motivated, and proactive in every challenge. Attract meaningful relationships and build a strong circle of influence. Set bold goals and achieve them with laser-sharp consistency. Master subconscious mind habits and daily tools to sustain success, peace, and fulfillment for life. And remember, motivation and inspiration are only sparks that start the fire, but they're not the fuel that keeps it burning on till you reach your destination. What truly keeps you going is synergy. The one thing missing, I said earlier, the alignment of your soul, mind, body, and purpose. When you have synergy, you will never give up again. You'll never run out of energy, spirit, focus, or drive. I can guarantee you, because science doesn't lie and the law of becoming never fails, you must trust the system and process. Synergy is the secret fuel that keeps your fire burning for life. So I invite you to take this journey with me. Join the Caterpillar to a Butterfly 21-Day Challenge Masterclass today. Click the link below. Start your transformation now. Don't wait and don't waste your time. Start today. Now, before we wrap up, let me be completely honest with you. A program like this one that combines science daily, mental and physical workout, psychology, mindset mastery, the wisdom of extraordinary individuals, and my 30 years of knowledge and experience would easily cost thousands of dollars anywhere else. If you go to a seminar by Tony Robbins, Mind Valley, or leading hypnotic coaches, you'll likely invest about $5,000 to $10,000 for this level of transformation. But my mission is not to make this unreachable, but it is available to every person ready to transform their lives. That's why I've priced the Caterpillar to Butterfly 21-Day Challenge at only a fraction of that cost. Not $5,000, not even $1,000, not even $500. Your total investment for this life-changing experience is just $499, less than what many of us spend on a weekend getaway. Yet what you will gain in these 21 days will stay with you for a lifetime. And with today's purchase, you will receive lifetime access to the entire course, plus my exclusive bonus training, 5 essential AI tools for free training valued at over $1,000. These are the cutting-edge tools businessmen, entrepreneurs, and creators are using right now to multiply their productivity and income. What are you waiting for? Your extraordinary future is calling. You've got nothing to lose but your transformation to gain. Click below, join now, and I will see you at the masterclass.